In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at how last-minute shoppers go about getting supplies for Hurricane Melissa. Here's Alia Bryant.
Sell out! Don't make Melissa catch your tongue!
As Hurricane Melissa inches closer to Jamaica, the usual payday crowds descended into storm prep chaos. Residents scrambled through the Coronation Market, hoping to secure enough ground provisions before the storm hits.
We need to stock up. That's why we don't have to go out that zinc, lick off our flood, our thing, blow down things. You understand? We need to just do the right things. That's to stay in the hurricane.
But despite the spike in sales, vendors at the market are fearful that should the hurricane destroy farms, already costly produce will hurt their profits.
It would be a great loss. All food gone provision will be lost. The price and goods will be soared to a high level. And I don't think people would afford it right now, afford to buy the food product. And what would happen right now, the imports goods.
Meanwhile, hardware stores were swarmed on Friday as residents rushed to secure supplies to fortify their homes. TVJ News caught up with Jodian from Incomparable Enterprise to see what residents picked up.
We have a lot of councillors and MPs who came out to really get stuff for their constituencies. So we had to try and get those out as soon as possible. But we have our regular walk-in customers that pick in and come in and order the regular stuff that they need. The roof component, as I said, the flash band, going like crazy, the tarpaulins, and the siliconizers and stuff like that.
Alia Bryant, TVJ News.